माननीय श्री कालीपद सरन, आप बैठिएगा, आप बैठिएगा। कालीपद सरन जी, आप
According to the
बोलिए।
last census, over 70 lakh people in India speak Santhali, making the Santhal community the third largest tribal group in the country.
आप बैठिएगा,
The community is predominantly concentrated across 7 states, including West Bengal. Establishing a Santhali Central University in West Bengal would significantly benefit the Santhali speaking population, given the community's dense concentration in the state. It would promote and develop Santhali language and literature, create opportunity for higher study for youth in their own language, encourage research on Santhali culture and history, and support the socio-economic upliftment of the community. This step would not only honor the legacy of the Santhal community but also reinforce India's commitment to celebrating its linguistic and cultural diversity. Therefore, I respectfully urge the Union government to establish a central university with Santhali as the medium of instruction in the Jangalmahal region of West Bengal. Thank you.